What's happening? We're Ceraadi. I'm Imaja.
And I'm Sayer.
And today we're going to be cooking our mom's adobo with ELLE.
It's going down in the kitchen.
But before we start cooking, go ahead and plug them up, Sayer.
Oh yes, be on the lookout for our new EP, our new music videos. It's going down. It's hot. It's fire. It's different. Boom.
Oh, I got my own self.
Mom just splashing me with this grease.
That was too much? Girl, you supposed to stop me.
Our mom taught us how to make this.
Okay, very recent, all right?
Very like today. And you guys are taking advice from us.
If you're Asian, you know you're gonna have rice, all right? For those who don't know, we're part Filipino, and rice is definitely in our childhood until today.
It's mandatory. It is a staple in the Asian community. Jasmine rice.
You can do adobo with pork, but we do adobo with chicken, all right? We love the chicken. You know, if you're African American, you love chicken. You're Asian, you love chicken. You're Spanish, you love chicken. So for the chicken, you know, we do flats only. Anything wing-wise is flats.
Oh,
we have the adobo mix, and then we also have Mamacita's adobo marinade, all right?
And you can get that from any Asian market. We know the professionals that be really cooking, they can make up their own seasoning, but you know.
This will do the joint. Next, we have this apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, organic.
A mama's secret, all right?
Black pepper, got some salt. This is one of the ones, like the little...
You garnish, but you can use it, just use it lightly.
Garlic salt with parsley. All right, little drizzle.
There's definitely a difference between table salt and garlic salt. Hey, babe.
We use them bay leaves, baby.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe. And we're gonna show you our cooking utensils. Boom. Measuring bowl, but we're not gonna be measuring.
Mixing bowl, okay.
And chicken so we can marinate.
Us Filipinos, we use our fingers, but we got these cute little nails on.
We like to massage the meat and make sure the flavor gets in there, but we use the tongies.
And the forksies. Miss Vegan Schmegan about to touch all this.
I know, see, I'm a top tier chef because not only can I cook vegan cuisines, I can go ahead and work with the meats.
All right, so we'll give it the first couple steps, all right. All right. Okay.
All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this chicken and put it in our little mixing bowl. I'm gonna just plop it in there.
So the instructions are on the back. We're gonna have 1 pouch boom, and then we're gonna have 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I guess we are measuring. Oh my gosh. Oh. Smell the seasoning. You smell the aroma? Do you guys smell it? Oh, amazing.
Look at that. What was your first memory of adobo? Go ahead, multitask, sorry. Come on now.
No, I was actually thinking because I mean, it was just a childhood thing. Like, when did we not have it?
I know. My memory was when mom was shoving it in her mouth.
You never shove it in my mouth. I was ready to go.
No, I'm just saying, like when you're a baby, they use the fingers. You know, we don't use forks to eat. How many of you guys know Filipinos that eat their food with their fingers? I know I do.
I do. It just makes the food taste way better. It's on your fingertips.
Tastes way better.
See, our mom, she's elite. She doesn't need to measure. She just goes. She plays by eye. After it's nicely mixed, this is what it's gonna look like. Delicioso.
Oh yeah. Get up in there. Get up in there.
Don't hold back on salt. Like Gordon Ramsay says, salt.
Okay.
And now some black pepper. Never stingy with the seasonings. And then we're gonna drizzle some apple cider vinegar on these mugs. Woo! I can taste the victory right now!
That was too much? Girl, you supposed to stop me.
And adobo is our bae. We're gonna put some of these babies. Bam. After it's mixed nice and properly, you wanna let it marinate for 30 minutes. But us big dogs, we have some preps because we OGs. Woo! Beautiful batch. Yes, you can already taste it. We have the oil in here. We're waiting for it to get hot. And everybody knows when oil gets hot, it starts popping. Oh, which reminds me, what song does adobo remind you of? I know mine. What? Hey, Macarena. So we still waiting for it to get hot.
But until then, you can twerk with your bestie, play a bunch of songs. How has food comforted you during this time?
I'm a Taurus. Yes, that stereotype is real. Food is my happiness. It comforts me. I don't need to say anything to it. I don't need to vent. I just eat and it purifies my soul.
I feel like me and food is like a love and hate relationship because I'll see and want to eat it all, but then my body doesn't want to take it all. You feel me?
I
like
think it's
very
because you
confusing.
have bougie taste buds. You're supposed to eat the expensive meals where it looks like one little bite, but
Petite
it
size
touches
serving.
all your taste buds. 5-star.
But
Michelin.
adobo isn't bougie food though.
That's one
That's
thing.
one thing I can eat every day in
Is-
large portions.
Yes. All right, guys. Wish me luck. Woo! The fireworks is here. Oh! Woo! Oh, where's the lid? Call me Captain Adobo. Okay, so while we're waiting for one side of the chicken flats to brown up and get that texture that everybody loves, that nice little crunch with the gravy,
Who's your favorite chef?
my favorite chef is Bobby Flay. Bobby Flay! Bobby Flay! I love him. I love Chef Simon and Chef Borna Shelley and Chef Sunny. She loves Chef Mom. Chef Mommy. Mama Ceraadi.
Twin.
Girl, stop. Okay, so I'm gonna let you flip it. Look how she flips fast.
Ooh, that turnover rate. Oh, that's my kind of.
Who runs the stovetop? Not the chicken. Imagine that. Oh, I've been shot. I've been shot with grease on my forehead. Look at that. Woo! One chicken flat, 2 chicken flats, 3. Don't you guys wish you could hop through here and grab one? All right, so now that we have our chicken over here, what you can do, so the oil is already hot, you're gonna pour the gravy into the oil. Be careful. You're gonna use a spatula because you want to scrape off any crust that's at the bottom of the pan. And you're just gonna nicely stir it. Hot, hot, hot. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We thought that this would be more difficult, but because we are top chefs, it's like riding a bike. The gravy is done. It's kind of one of those things where you just use your eyes. Typically this is what it'll look like right here. Here we go. This reminds me of when we were little kids and we would get water and mud and leaves and pretend like we're making a soup. If you don't have that memory as a child, did you really have a childhood? Adobo. Nicely crisped brown chicken with gravy, fluffy rice that is not overcooked or undercooked, hitting all seasonings and requirements. Yes, we did that.
It's time for the true test.
We know our mom can make adobo, but can we?
This is so good.
This is a nice runner-up to mom.
I think there's just something that's different when your mom cooks it.
It lacks that mom.
We're not moms yet. I think that's what it is.
I'll give this a 7.5
Why so harsh?
because I am a culinary chef. But out of effort, I'll push it up to 8. You know what it is? You never eat the food right when it's done cooking. Adobo always smacks the second day.
It really does.
Austronesian Filipino, you can take chicken bones and read people's future. We clean them real good, like,
All the meat off.
put them to the side,
Take in the bowl, shake it up,
throw it on the table.
and read the future. Presenting our mom's adobo.
Famous top 10 fire.
And this time, Mama, I made it. Thank you guys so much for cooking with us. We hope you guys enjoyed.
It's been so much fun. We hope you go ahead and try this out and get your grub on.
And also be on the lookout for our new project, okay? New visuals, new everything. If you like videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe to ELLE's channel.
Right now, what are you waiting for? This was so much fun.
All right? And this is Ceraadi. And y'all know the exit out for our videos. 1, 2, 3, let's go. And one. And one. And one.